In this video, I'll show you how to create a paid group inside CommuniPass and how the entire subscription system works behind the scenes. So before we click anything, here's the big picture, because this part really matters. You can run your community anywhere you want. It can be a WhatsApp group, a Telegram group, a Discord server, or any other platform where you prefer to manage your audience. You stay in control of where the community actually lives. CommuniPass manages the subscriptions for you. That means we handle the payments, we notify you every time someone joins, and if a payment fails, we automatically retry the charge several times based on best practices. Only if all retry attempts fail do we notify you and clearly show you which member needs to be removed. So you're not manually tracking who paid and who didn't. You're always informed, but without the chaos. At the same time, your members can choose where they want to receive exclusive content, whether that's WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or email. You schedule everything from one place. We host your videos securely, deliver the content automatically, and make sure only paying members with an active subscription can access it. So you manage the community wherever you want. We manage the subscriptions and protected content delivery. That's the model. All right, let's build one. Go ahead and click on Create Your Paid Group. Now give your group a name. Since we're using a stock investing example, let's call it something clear and professional, like David's Daily Stock Briefing. It's specific, outcome-driven, and easy to understand. And remember, you can always change it later, so don't overthink it. Click Create and Continue. Next, choose your subscription model. You can offer a monthly subscription, a yearly subscription, or both. In most cases, offering both increases conversions because it gives people flexibility and lets you incentivize annual commitments. So let's select both. Now set your pricing. For example, $99 per month and $999 per year. If you want to control how the final number appears to users at checkout, you can adjust the total charge directly. It's very straightforward. Below that, you'll define the benefits of your community. This is what people see on the registration page, so make it clear and valuable. For example, daily pre-market stock analysis, real-time trade breakdowns, weekly live strategy sessions, members-only market alerts, and direct Q&A access. The more specific you are, the stronger your positioning becomes. You'll also see an income estimator. This lets you project your potential revenue based on how many members you expect to join. It's a simple tool, but it helps you think strategically about scale. Once you're done, click Save and Continue. Now you're building your registration page. This is the page you'll share with your audience. Here you can explain the value, add a video, share your story, add testimonials, and really position your community properly. Once this page is ready, this link becomes your monetization entry point. That's the link you'll share publicly. Click Save and Continue. Next, set your welcome message. This is an automated message that gets sent immediately after someone completes payment. It's your first touchpoint after purchase, so use it to welcome them and explain what happens next. You can also set a maximum number of members if you want. This is optional, but it's useful for scarcity or capacity management. Now under Group Platform Link, paste the link to your actual community, whether that's WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or anywhere else you've decided to run it. Once someone pays, they're automatically redirected to join that group. At this point, your paid group is live. You can already copy the registration link and start selling. Now let's look at content delivery. Inside the calendar, you can schedule exclusive content to be sent directly to your paying members through their preferred channel. This is powerful because in regular group chats, important updates get buried. People mute the group, archive it, and miss key messages. With this system, your core content reaches them directly. You can schedule content weeks or even months in advance. Add a title, add text, upload videos, files, links, choose the exact date and time, and it will be delivered automatically. Everything is hosted securely and accessible only to active subscribers. So again, you manage your community wherever you want. Your members choose where they want to receive content, and CommuniPass handles the subscriptions, hosting, and secure delivery in the background. And that's it. Your paid group is ready. Now it's time to grow your community and build recurring revenue.